What's up, guys? Uh, Today we are in the. We're just opening this egg, looking at what's inside. Okay, to the side. Uh, this is gonna be. There's gonna be. This is a Blox Fruits egg, so let's see what's inside. But before you see, make sure to like and subscribe. But next, first, first up, let's open this. Okay. Yes, please. Open, please. Stabby stabs. Really? Ah, always works. Oh, you regards to the. Ah, okay. Okay, okay. So, first up, we have this plushie. Any of you guys know what this is? I don't know. You can't comment, anyways. I think this is dark. Just dark. Is there anything else in here? Sometimes it's cold. No, just seems like it. Oh, oh. I don't know if you can see that. Let me hold it in front of the camera. Uncommon DLC. Says says scratch off. So we've also got this. So yeah. Let's open this up. Uh, what we take this. Now this is a thing I got. Let's look at the last thing in here. Here we go. Seriously. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye.